Hi guys, this is Loy Madison Lim here, and this is the location we're at for our shooting. Not exact location, just ano mismo, just the lodging. And guys, it's so beautiful, like heaven. Like, pwede ba to talikurin? Wait, I will talikod. Okay guys, so this location is located in Oak Marinco, Siang Bukidnon, and then guys, get wow, so beautiful. This is also the view. And ito ata yung, wow, so many pictures, ang cute. And